How to fix iPhone battery draining fast, real settings that work. Now, one day your iPhone easily lasts all day. Then suddenly it starts behaving like it's running on pure anxiety. You charge it to 100%, open a few apps, scroll for 20 minutes, and somehow the battery already looks like it survived a natural disaster. And honestly, this problem is becoming more common now because modern smartphones are doing far more in the background than most people realize. Now, apps are going to constantly refresh, location services keep tracking, widgets are going to update silently, background processes sync endlessly, and brightness stays unnecessarily high. And some settings quietly destroy battery life without users even noticing. Now, the good news is that in many cases, fast battery drain is not caused by damaged battery at all. It's usually caused by software behavior, bad settings, rogue apps, or hidden background activity. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix fast battery drain on Apple iPhone devices in 2026 using real settings that actually make a noticeable difference. And we'll cover hidden battery killers, background app behavior, charging habits, display settings, overheating issues, battery health, iOS optimizations, and the exact adjustments many creators and power users make to dramatically improve their screen time. And trust me, some of these settings quietly consume insane amounts of battery without people realizing it. So grab your iPhone, open your settings, and let's start fixing it properly. Now, before changing random settings, you need to identify the real problem first, because blindly disabling features usually creates frustration without fixing the actual cause. So go ahead and open up your settings, okay? And in your settings, you're simply going to go over to battery. So you can find it right here as so. Now this section is incredibly important because it shows exactly which application and activities are consuming your power. Now, scroll down and look at the battery usage graph carefully, just as so. And you're going to usually see screen activity, you're going to see background activity, and app specific battery percentages. Now, sometimes the problem becomes obvious immediately. Maybe one social media app is consuming 40% of your battery. Maybe a navigation app is running constantly in the background. Maybe your screen on time is extremely high. This section basically exposes the biggest battery of fenders. And honestly, many people discover the issue is not their phone at all. It's one badly optimized app silently destroying battery life. Now, also, go ahead and check your battery health, okay? Which is going to be your maximum capacity right here. Now, if your battery health has dropped very low, especially below 80%, your physical battery may simply be aging. Lithium batteries degrade naturally over time, and that is unavoidable. But even aging batteries can often improve noticeably with proper settings and optimizations. Now let's talk about the settings secretly draining power all day. The first massive culprit is going to be the background app refresh. So, first of all, you're going to go ahead and make sure that the background app refresh feature is turned off in your settings. So, you're simply going to go over to general, okay, in your settings. And once you go to general, in general, you're going to see the background app refresh option. You're going to see a giant list of apps constantly working behind the scenes. Do you really need everything? Shopping app, food app, random game, and social media platform refreshing constantly? Probably not. Disable the background refresh for apps that do not absolutely require it. You can even disable it completely if you want maximum battery savings. And honestly, most people are never going to notice the difference afterward, except for dramatically better battery life. Another huge battery killer is location services. So go ahead to your settings, as always, and you're going to go over to your location services. Okay. Location services is also another feature that is going to kill a lot of battery. Some apps constantly track location unnecessarily, as so, okay? And instead of always, many apps should be set to while using the app or never, especially apps that realistically do not need permanent location access because GPS activity quietly consumes serious power throughout the day. Now, let's also talk about the display because your screen is one of the biggest power consumers on the entire phone, of course. And honestly, many people use brightness levels that are absurdly high indoors. If your screen constantly operates at maximum brightness, battery drains becomes inevitable. So do make sure to lower your brightness manually when possible. And now another important setting is auto brightness. Do make sure to go ahead and turn that on. This feature automatically adjusts brightness depending on lighting conditions. And despite what many people think, it usually helps battery life significantly because it prevents unnecessarily high brightness indoors. So another important thing, or the another setting, is going to be screen timeout. Now, the screen timeout is also a great feature that allows your screen to go ahead and get timed out. If your screen stays awake for a while and if it goes ahead and gives you a massive battery drain, the wasted display activity adds up massively. Shorter auto lock timers improve battery efficiency immediately, and if your phone has a high refresh rate display, especially ProMotion models, smoother animations can also increase power usage slightly, not dramatically, but enough to matter over long periods of time. Now, modern iPhones are loaded with convenience features. The problem is that convenience often costs a lot of battery life. One major example is constant widget activity. Widgets are going to look nice. You're going to get weather, stocks, news, fitness tracking, live info, but every refresh is going to consume sources. So do make sure to keep that in mind as well. Now, another hidden battery drain is push notifications. Yup, notifications themselves affect battery because apps constantly communicate with servers waiting for updates. So disable any unnecessary notifications aggressively. Not only does this improve battery life, but honestly, it also improves mental peace dramatically. Now, another major feature is Hey Siri listening. The Siri is going to be listening almost all the time while it's on. So if your battery is doing some issues, you can go ahead and disable that as well. Now, heat is also one of the worst enemies of lithium batteries, and many users unintentionally overheat their phones constantly. Gaming while charging, using fast charging repeatedly in hot environments, leaving phones under sunlight, running heavy apps for long periods, using poor quality chargers. All of this increases thermal stress. And when iPhones overheat, battery efficiency drops dramatically. Sometimes the phone even throttles performance automatically to protect internal components. Now, here's something that many people don't realize. Certain apps can cause overheating silently in the background, especially apps with constant GPS activity, camera processing, video rendering, or buggy software behavior. Sometimes one broken update causes massive battery and heating issue temporarily. And honestly, keeping your phone cooler often improves battery performances instantly. One final thing I will say is to go ahead and update your iOS, because most cases battery is not working because the iOS is not up to running with the IC chip inside of it. So do make sure to go ahead and work with that as well. Now, the good news is that fast battery drain actually has a cause, and I've told you those causes. So go ahead and fix those out and fix your battery drainage issues. And that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.